Hi guys! We are here at Illumi this evening. So we're going in to check out the 9 different zones over there. So this is the first time that Illumi is here in Singapore, and there's many pretty lights. You can see the giant Christmas tree there. But it's not Christmas. So we're going to head in, but it's a bit not dark yet, so the lights cannot really see. But it's a very hot evening, so it's like very hot. Is it very hot today? Very hot.
It's so humid.
Oh goodness. Okay, so we need to go in there. Let's go in. Oh, and you need to get tickets to actually go in, so we bought our tickets. And it's not cheap. I think it's like what?
$25.
$25 per adult. Yeah, so must make sure you get your money's worth in there. Guess what? No water allowed. So you need to empty your bottles. No food, no drinks for adults. Guess they want you to buy the food and drinks inside. Doors have opened at 7:15, so we're heading into the beautiful lighted wonderland of lights. Wow, it's really nice. Ooh, so pretty. Really a very nice wonderland of lights. So it kind of reminds me of very Christmassy feel, but Christmas is not here yet, so the other one over there reminds me of more Christmassy feel, the one next door. So we'll head there soon, but in the meantime, this is like a magical forest. Wow! How are the lights? We are only in the first one. So there's still like 8 more areas to walk to.
Oh really?
Yeah, there, the other side, you see so many. So we need to head over to the rest. Especially the dinosaurs, so I think the dinosaur one should be nice.
I think it's more for kids.
More for kids. Okay, but I think a lot of people will like the dinosaur one. So Ryan probably also likes the dinosaur song. We should head there later. This is the area with the animals. So there's like white tiger. Wow, it's like a safari of animals. So like my mom say, it's like to bluff small kids to come here. But really nice lights. I think the decorations are pretty good. Into the next area, which is the very Christmassy land. Oh my god, there's giant reindeers and icicles everywhere. This is so nice. Wow, this one is nice. Yeah, this one is like North Pole.
You go there?
Wow. Snow! Snowy! Now we're in the Dune Palace. So this is kind of like a bit like the desert, because they are like camels. Wow, these elephants are grand. Wow, it's like glittering away, so nice. So each of the different worlds showcases a different part of the world. Okay, I thought the Christmassy penguin Arctic place one in the previous was very nice. Just that I didn't really like the snow because it's like soapsuds, so it's like summer is like so hot, so it's like fake snow, right? Like duh. But this one is very nice because there's like glittering lights all around. Wow. I just realized this is like Aladdin's magic carpet and the genie. Wow, this is nice. I like the magic teapot. of colors. Oh, nice! Popular one, which is like Jurassic World. Dinosaur Land. This is very cute, and there's Jurassic movie theme park song playing in the background as well. So let's head in. So which is your favorite world among all the worlds?
This one.
Ryan loves dinosaurs. So he used to watch Dinosaur Train when he's young. So I still remember all the dinosaur names. Like the Spinosaurus, the Ankylosaurus, the Parasaurolophus. See, I know all my dinosaurs. Not many people around Illumi today to check out this Illumi here, probably because it's F1 weekend, so everyone's out at F1. So hope you guys enjoyed following me around Illumi today. Good for video taking and photo taking this evening because there's much of like not many people around. So hope you guys enjoy. If you want to check out Illumi, do head down to Bayfront Event Space. You can buy your tickets online. So yeah, and it's pretty nice. So good for kids as well, families to come take photos. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.